What's up guys, it's Astro, and today I got a pack-in from first chapter. I told her if she wanted a collab trade, and she said yes, but I needed a covered shipping with one stamp, and I did, and she sent me my collabs back today. Well, I got them today. That one, this one, this yellow one. They're so dope. I like them a lot. And this background one, that's my character. You don't think you see this one. And this one. This one. And this one, and the last one is this one. So yeah, that's the collab I sent her and she sent back. Yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.